Open the lock with a working key. Push the door of the control module by the handle. Turn off the machine on the power block using a button. Disconnect the power cable from the back of the machine. Lift up the bracket of the coin receiver and remove it to the side. Turn down the retainers washers with a screwdriver. Unscrew the nut and remove the locking washer. Unscrew the fastening screw of the bolt with a screwdriver and remove it. Unscrew the lock fixing nut with a 22 mm socket wrench. Remove the lock washer and the lock. Change the lock. Program the new lock with the golden master key. Insert the golden master key into the lock, transfer it into the working position and pull out the master key from the lock. Check the work of the lock with the silver key. Insert the new lock into place and put the lock washer. Tighten the nut with a 22 mm socket wrench. We fix the bolt on the lock. Tighten the bolt fixing screw. Install the lock washer. Fixing the washer with a nut. Bend the washers of the washer to the nut. Check the operability of the lock of the machine using the working key with the open door handle and with the door handle closed. Lifting the bracket with a coin changer, bring it back and fix it. Connect the power cable at the back of the machine. Turn on the vending machine using the button. Push the control compartment door to the stop. Remove the handle and close the vending machine with a working key.